So next we're discussing the topic is electric field due to charged plane sheet. Charged plane sheet. The non-conducting material, that is nothing but to say the non-conducting. Non-conducting means it is not conducting with another one, that is called as the non-conducting. The previous we discussing our topic, the electric field due to infinite long straight charged wire. See here, plane sheet. Let us consider it is a plane sheet. Plane sheet, this is called also charged plane sheet. What is taken by here? The charged plane sheet. Charged plane sheet having surface charge density. Having surface charge density sigma. Now it is a imaginary Gaussian surface is producing around this charged sheet. Around is producing a charged. It is also just like of a cylindrical shape. What will we have this in a cylindrical of shape? This is the two flat surface are considering by them. Now here it will be exactly the middle of in a Gaussian. Exactly the middle of in a Gaussian surface. Now consider this in A, B, C and D. Now here the surface of this is considered the ds1 and this surface is considered the ds2 and here the small surface of area is considered the ds3 and here the small surface of area is considered ds4. This total ABCD is called as the Gaussian surface. Gaussian surface, and this is on a plane sheet, plane charged sheet, plane charged sheet is around what is producing by a Gaussian surface can be produced. And now here the this AB and CD having a flat surface, and here the electric field is outward direction of a Gaussian surface. Electric field can be outward of this plane sheet or also saying a Gaussian surface. Now here a charged non-conducting sheet or a charged plane sheet. This is the plane sheet having surface charge density sigma is equal to charge per unit area. What is the formula? Is it charge per unit area? Now if you take in a cross multiplication, we can write here the charge is equal to sigma into area. This is considered the equation number 1. Now we can find out the electric flux through of AB and CD and it's in a curved surface. This is called as the curved surface. This is the curved surface. And AB and CD is called as the flat surface. Now electric field due to plane sheet. Electric field due to plane sheet normally outward direction. Normally outward direction. Now imaginary horizontal Gaussian surface surface ABCD. This is ABCD is the Gaussian surface. Therefore, electric flux through electric flux through flat surface AB, the flat surface of the AB. That's the pi AB is equal to, what is the formula here? EA into cos theta. Observing here the flat surface and electric field, both of them have the same direction. This is the electric field and it is the surface of the flat surface. The both of them in the same direction means the angle, how much is the theta, is equal to 0 degrees. Then we can write here the pi AB is equal to EA into cos of 0 degrees, that is equal to E into A. Next, therefore, similarly we can find out the electric flux through flat surface CD, flat surface of the CD. Here also electric field and the surface of area, both of them in a same direction. That is the CD is equal to EA into cos theta. That the flux CD is equal to EA, since here the theta is equal to 0 degrees. And both of the surface of electric flux are there, EA into E. Therefore, next we can find out here the electric flux through a curved surface. Electric flux through curved surface. That curved surface is nothing but to say the AC and BD, any one take, that the flux of a curved is equal to EA into cos theta. But here the surface of area and electric field, both of them have the perpendicular. Then here the theta is equal to, how much is taken by here, the 90 degrees. Then we can write here the flux curved is equal to EA into cos of 90 degrees. That cos 90 is equal to, how much is there, is a 0. 0 into something, total 0. Therefore, total electric flux that pi is equal to pi AB plus pi CD plus pi is a curved. Then we can write here the pi is equal to flux AB is equal to, how much is there here, the EA, plus flux CD is equal to, how much is there, again is an EA, plus the flux is curved is equal to 0. EA plus EA is equal to, how much is here, the 2 EA. 2 into EA. This is considered the equation number 2. Therefore, from Gauss law, what is the Gauss law? Is there the electric flux is equal to charge for epsilon naught. Now this is considered the equation number 3. From equation 2 and 3, see what we can write here, the flux is equal to charge Q by epsilon naught. Now we can write here the Q by epsilon naught is equal to 2E into A. From equation 1, see what is the equation 1 is there? That equation 1 is equal to Q is equal to sigma into A. Then we can substitute here the sigma into A by epsilon naught is equal to 2EA, and area will be gets cancelled. This electric field E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. See, this is the formula of a electric field due to charged plane sheet. charged plain sheet.